Did you know the greatest pharaoh in Egyptian history almost died in his most famous battle? In 1274 BCE, Rameses II marched toward the city of Kadesh with 20,000 soldiers. He was ready to crush the Hittite Empire once and for all. But the Hittites were clever. They sent fake spies who told Rameses lies. The enemy army is far away, they said. You're totally safe. Rameses believed them. Big mistake. As his army spread out near Kadesh, 25,000 Hittite warriors suddenly attacked from all sides. Over 5,000 war chariots clashed in the largest chariot battle ever fought. Rameses found himself completely surrounded with only his personal guards. 20,000 enemy soldiers closed in for the kill. In desperation, he prayed to the god Amun for help. Just when all seemed lost, his reinforcements arrived and saved him. Both sides claimed victory and signed history's first peace treaty on silver tablets. But here's the twist. Modern archaeologists discovered the battle was actually a draw. Rameses just had better propaganda writers.